Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Learning Amharic with Hagerly. In this video, we put together a survival kit of 20 essential Amharic phrases for beginners. We'll start off with the easy ones, like telling someone to come, and then we'll move on to phrases that you use every single day. These building blocks help you to start speaking and interacting in Amharic right away. So, let's get started. Come to a meal.
Na.
Come to a female.
näyï.
Come to a group or formal.
Nu.
Come here to a male.
Na. ወደዚህ.
Come enter to a group.
Nu ግቡ.
Hello or peace.
ሰላም.
How are you to a male?
እንዴት ነህ?
How are you to a female?
እንዴት ነሽ?
I'm fine.
ደህና ነኝ.
My name is. Name.
ስሜ ይባላል.
Thank you.
አመሰግናለሁ.
Excuse me or sorry.
ይቅርታ.
Please to a male.
እባክህ.
Please to a female.
እባክሽ.
Okay.
እሺ.
Yes.
አዎ.
No. Or it's not.
አይደለም.
I want.
እፈልጋለሁ.
Where is it?
የት ነው?
How much is it?
ስንት ነው?
ሰላም ኤልዳና፣ እንዴት ነሽ?
ሰላም ይስሐቅ፣ ደህና ነኝ። አንተስ?
ደህና ነኝ። ይሄ ስንት ነው?
10 ብር ነው።
እሺ፣ እፈልጋለሁ። ስጪኝ። Ethiopia, and I'm sure in most other places, jumping straight into a request without greetings, like salam in Amharic, is seen as abrupt. So always greet someone first and smile, right? Before you order someone to come or you ask them how much. Let's look at some of the 20 phrases that we've learned today. How do you say come to a man?
ና
How do you say thank you?
አመሰግናለሁ።
How do you say please to a woman?
እባክሽ
What does the phrase yet no mean?
where is it?
And lastly, how do you say I'm fine?
ደህና ነኝ።
Thank you for watching today's video. Today, we've managed to cover 20 essential phrases for any beginner. Practice, practice, practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes because every lesson brings you one step closer to fluency. Bye for now and see you in the next video.